Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and just popping in real quick to share with you a project. This was a project that I had made last night and part of this morning. It is a tutorial that was over on Authentique's Facebook page, and I will link all the information down below. But Tamara of Country Craft Creations went on last night on a live class, and I believe they are usually every Tuesday nights over there on the Authentique page, and she made this adorable cute little picnic basket, and it is super cute. So I wanted to stay with the Authentique paper line because that's where the tutorial was. So I dug through my stash and I found this one here. Believe it is called Accomplished. It's an older collection, so I happened to find that in my stash. So I said, well, it's kind of cute, and let's go ahead and make the picnic basket for it. So here's what I did. Super cute. So it has a little tab thing here to hold it together, and it just tucks in, so you didn't need any magnets. And as she was saying last night in the class, it's a super cute little project for like a teacher gift, like a back to school gift. You can sell these at craft fairs. I think she was talking about it as a teacher gift and putting little hand sanitizers in it to give to a teacher for her first day of school. It would also make a super cute, adorable little cookie box for the holidays. You could do them up Christmas theme, and you could put in cookies or candies that you make and give it in a super cute little box. So not only do they get a yummy treat, but they get this adorable little handmade picnic basket. So this is what I did. The bottom part too, what I did on my bottom, she had mentioned it and I thought it was a good idea. I have a chipboard bottom on that, so it just makes it a little more sturdier, although with the pattern paper you probably don't really need it, but I just went ahead and did it anyway. So I made a little mini folio, and I'll show you that in 1 second. So let me just show you the box. So it just like this, and it just closes up. Really cute. And you would make the box separate and just glue the box down. Now I chose to put my chipboard on the bottom part here because I wasn't sure. I hadn't made it before, so I wasn't sure if I could get away with adding the chipboard right underneath the box here because I wasn't sure of the dimensions. But it would fit just fine if you had did it, you know, on the base instead of underneath the bottom. It would have still fit just perfectly fine. But how cute is that? And I wasn't quite sure when I started with that paper line that I was using whether I would like it or not. But it is absolutely adorable for this cute little box. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to put something in the box. So I made this little mini folio. And this measures 6 1/4 by 4 1/2. And I did a little simple little belly band to also keep with the fact no magnets. So if you don't have magnets, obviously if you're making this you have cardstock. So a little belly band I made, and I made it like a trifold. So it opens up like this. Let's get this out of the way. So it opens up like this. I made 2 little mini pockets here with tags. And these just blank little tags. You could do whatever. I did put pattern paper on the front. And these tags right here are a die from Crealies, and this is CLLT09, and this is part of the labels and tags. And I will link you down below to these adorable little dies. And I do have a guest spot coming up with Crealies the end of the month, so be on the lookout for that. I've got some products that Annalise sent me, and I will see what I come up with. I'll have a tutorial and stuff too. So also, if you would like a tutorial on this little mini book, it's super quick, super easy to put together. So I can go ahead and do that if you want. So to keep everything closed, I do have a little swing tag like this, and it just opens up like so, and it is a little waterfall that I made to hold 3 by 4 photos. And in case you're wondering what size photos, it says right on these cute little stamps, place 3 by 4 photo here. And those stamps are also from Country Craft Creations, and I was lucky enough to pick these up at my local scrapbook store. It's the Inspiration Station in Stafford Springs, Connecticut, and Debbie had placed an order with Tamara and had gotten these adorable rubber stamps in, and I was able to go pick them up locally, so that was pretty awesome. They have all different measurements, so this one's like place 3x4 photo, 4x6, 3x5, 5x7, which is nice because if you're making a book and giving it to a non-crafter and they don't know what size photo would fit in the books, it tells them, so it's like easy peasy. It's no brainer. They don't have to think, they don't have to measure, and it's super cute. And it has also cute little sayings and everything. If you were to make cards, this one's cute. It says this was handmade, don't throw it away. So they're really funny, and they're cute. So anyway, I'll link you down below for that as well. So anyway, this was my cute little folio. I just wanted to make something super quick, super easy, just to throw in the picnic basket. And so I made that little folio. And this just slides on and it all goes back together. And anyway, like I said, I'll link everything down below to the Authentique page. Tamara also has a Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations Facebook page. I will link you down that below. There's lots of design team members on that with free tutorials and super fun projects. And anyway, if you like what you see, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and till next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye!